Good day, traders. This is the third in a series of educational shorts in high probability chart patterns. My name is Mark Lykos. Identifying productive trade opportunities can be difficult for the novice or even the seasoned trader. I'm going to show you another one of my most productive trade setups I look for when scanning charts for trades in the index futures, equities, forex, or even commodities. It works well in any market and in any time frame. But first, I'd like to discuss the trade cycle all markets identify with. Markets move up and down within trade cycles from range high to range low. The best reversals are found at the outer boundaries of these trade cycles. The chart pattern I'm going to show you today is called the Doji Reversal. It's a very productive chart pattern when found at either a range high or range low of a trade cycle. It works best when combined with a key level of support or resistance in a liquid market, that is, a market with volume. Here's a bullish Doji reversal pattern found at a range low denoting a bottom reversal bar with the same open as its close. That's the definition of a Doji bar. It resembles a cross. Near dojis are those that show openings near to closes are also playable. Here's a practical example of a bullish Doji reversal showing itself in a stock chart after a decline to a range low on a 15-minute chart. Here's an example of a bullish forex Doji reversal after a steep decline at a range low. Amazing how this pattern targets reversals when found at range lows. Here's an example of another bullish index futures Doji reversal after a run to the downside at a range low. Here's the bearish Doji pattern found at a range high denoting a top reversal bar with the same open as its close. That's the definition of a Doji price bar. It resembles a cross. Near dojis, or those that show openings near to closes, are also playable. Here's a practical example of a bearish Doji reversal on a stock chart showing itself after a run to a range high on a 5-minute chart. Here's a practical example of a bearish Doji reversal in a forex pair showing itself after topping out at a range high on a 5-minute chart. Here's a final practical example of a bearish Doji reversal in an index futures, the ES, showing itself at the top of a range on a 5-minute chart. Scanning charts for potential trade setups is an integral part of the professional trader's game. I've shown you another one of my most productive technical chart patterns that has worked well for me over the years. You do well to learn to spot this setup at range highs against resistance and range lows at support. I'll share more productive patterns with you soon. Until then, good trading.